7 herbs that protect eyes and repair vision. Do you know that a few herbs help to maintain eyes health? Hi everybody, and welcome to today's video about valuable herbs for the eye's health. In today's digital age, our eyes are constantly exposed to screens and artificial light, which leads to various vision problems. Increasing screen time on phones, TV, and computers adversely affects our eyesight, and these can increase the risk of many eyes problems. However, nature has provided us with a range of powerful herbs that can promote eyes health and even help to repair vision. In this video, we will explore 7 herbs that are good for the eyes and repair vision. Adding these herbs to your diet help to maintain healthy vision and overall eyes health. Be sure to watch this video until the end to learn about how these herbs help to protect the eyes. Herbs are known for their beneficial properties in promoting overall health, including eye health. These herbs offer properties that reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative damage, and provide nourishment for the eyes. Let's know about important herbs. Number 1. Bilberry. This dark blue fruit is similar to a blueberry, and is known for its benefits in supporting healthy eyesight. It is rich in anthocyanins, which is a powerful antioxidant. It protects ocular tissues from oxidative damage. It may improve night vision, enhance blood flow to the eyes, and strengthen capillaries. Bilberry helps to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Bilberries are safe to eat and to take in extract form. You can use 120 to 160 milligrams of bilberry extract daily. Number 2. Saffron. This precious herb is known for its vibrant color, distinct flavor, and health benefits. Saffron is rich in antioxidants such as crocin and safranal. It helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, saffron contains high levels of carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for good eye health. Saffron can be used to improve eyesight in several ways. You can use it in the form of an oral supplement. Further, you can use it as saffron water, or prepare tea using saffron strands. Number 3. Ginkgo Biloba. This ancient herb supports eye health by enhancing blood circulation. Research suggests that Ginkgo Biloba helps to improve blood flow to the eyes, which can aid in maintaining healthy vision. Increased blood circulation to the eye helps in delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the eye tissues, which can promote optimal eye function. Ginkgo biloba contains compounds that can improve visual acuity and reduce the risk of eye diseases such as glaucoma. Ginkgo biloba is available to use in the form of capsules, liquid extracts, and dried tea leaves. Number 4. Fennel. Fennel is tiny seeds packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. It can help to protect the eyes from oxidative damage and age-related macular degeneration. Antioxidants also reduce inflammation in the eyes and protect them from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C present in fennel boosts the health of blood vessels in the eyes as well as the overall body, while vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining good vision and preventing dry eyes. You can use fennel in salad or prepared tea with fennel seeds. Number 5. Turmeric. This yellow spice is commonly used in cooking, but it is popular with its health benefits. It contains a special compound curcumin, which provides powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that helps protect the eyes from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. It is beneficial for eye conditions like uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. The antioxidant properties of turmeric help protect against age-related macular degeneration. Adding turmeric to your diet or taking turmeric supplements is a beneficial way to support healthy eyes. Number 6. Rosemary. This herb helps to support a healthy eye by protecting ocular tissues from oxidative stress. And oxidative stress is the main cause of age-related eye conditions. This eye condition can impair vision. Further, rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties help to maintain eye health. Adding to that, rosemary contains nutrients like vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good eyesight. You can use rosemary in meals by seasoning in roasted vegetables, or you can drink rosemary-infused tea. Number 7. Passionflower. It is also known as Passiflora incarnate. Passionflower is a beautiful flowering plant used for various medicinal purposes for centuries. The extract of this plant is great for healing eye strain. It also works as a natural nerve relaxer and improves eye health. Passionflower contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which can help protect the eyes from free radical damage. Further anti-inflammatory properties that benefit eye health. Aside from eye care, passionflower is also good for heart disease, burns, and piles. You can add dried passionflower to boiling water to create an herbal tea. This way all the suggested herbs help to maintain eye health and repair vision. Now let me know, would you like to use any of these herbs? Share your favorite herbs in the comments section below. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay fit, and thanks for watching.